Here's a bonus mistake that most students realize only after the exam, and that's the habit of solving mock tests without analyzing them properly. Just solving 30 mocks won't help if you're not tracking your mistake patterns. Are you losing marks because of silly calculation errors? Or are you spending too much time on the first 10 questions and rushing through the rest? Every mock test is like a mirror if you look closely. It'll reveal where you're wasting time, where your logic fails, and where your mind blanks out. Start maintaining a mock test logbook. Write down what went wrong, what surprised you, and what you'll fix in the next attempt. This simple step can help you gain 5 to 10 extra marks just by refining your exam intelligence, not content knowledge. One important mindset shift before the exam is this: JEE Advanced is not just a test of knowledge, it's a game of strategy and emotion control. You might open the paper and see your weakest topic right at the start. Maybe rotational mechanics or chemical bonding, and panic will try to take over. But here's the trick: your rank won't be based on how you feel during the paper, it will be based on how you respond. If a question feels too hard, move on without guilt. You're not in the exam to prove you're perfect. You're there to score as many marks as efficiently as possible. Remember, skipping one difficult question early can give you time to solve 2 easier ones later. That's not weakness, it's smartness. Another silent killer is isolation in the final week. Some students feel like locking themselves in a room will help them focus, but it often creates more anxiety. Instead, stay connected to 1-2 like-minded aspirants. Share doubts, ask them to quiz you on formulas, or discuss a few conceptual questions together. But choose wisely. Avoid the ones who panic or spread negativity. A good study partner doesn't just help with knowledge. They help you stay calm and motivated. Now here's a science-backed technique: visualization. Yes, it sounds motivational, but it actually works. Every night before you sleep, close your eyes for 5 minutes and imagine you're walking confidently into the exam hall. You're calm. You see the question paper. You take a deep breath. You solve your best subject first. You finish early. You come out smiling. This mental rehearsal helps train your brain to stay calm under pressure. The more you visualize success, the less fear your brain associates with the exam hall. And finally, let's address the voice of self-doubt. Every JEE aspirant, no matter how prepared, feels fear. What if I mess up? What if I don't make it? That's normal. But here's the truth: you're more ready than you think. The sleepless nights, the skipped parties, the solved numericals, the hours you spent trying to understand one damn equation, that wasn't for nothing. Beat that version and you win. So take a deep breath. You're not going in to survive the exam. You're going in to own it. Remember this line: a clear plan beats blind effort, and confidence built on preparation is unshakable. If this helped you prepare better, don't forget to like this video and share it with a fellow aspirant who needs a boost. Subscribe to EdQuest for more practical exam tips, smart strategies, and success stories. All the best for JEE Advanced. You've got this.